Hello, my name is Jane Johnson. Thank you for joining me. I would like to share with you today about this idea of reach your goals. You know, it's not January. We typically people set goals in January. That's a great idea. And my idea is set goals anytime, any month, any day. It's always a good time to get clear on what you want because, that leads you to the next step, which is getting clarity on how to reach those goals, what you need to do to get them. And I have something to show you. This is an old relic. This is a notebook of a goals workshop I did in 2003. Look at the hair. Yep. And the younger face. 2003, I did a goals workshop. It says Rich Dad Seminars, and it was they who produced it. And we did many of these together, and I'm very grateful to them, Rich Dad Seminars, for supporting my workshops and producing them. And another thing about this notebook is that one time I was in a program with Robert Kiyosaki was teaching, and I don't recall the year or the subject matter. But what I do remember is during the program, he held up this, my notebook, and he told everyone that he had saved it. And he did do my goals workshop, the first one I did in January of 1996. He and his wife Kim did that one. But I think he did another one later on, and maybe 2005 or 2007. But I was like this. He had this notebook, and he showed everyone and said that he obviously had saved it all this time. And he is quite a student of life and learning, and I'm sure he had many other notebooks as well from other people. But that he had mine, it was just amazing. But yeah, I love helping people set goals. It's one of my specialties. And so if you're interested, whether it's January, July, or whatever, if you're interested, just contact me, jane@janejohnson.com, or my website, janejohnson.com. I'd be happy to talk with you about it, see if you want my help in setting some goals. I'm good at helping people get more clear. And since I'm a clearing coach, that makes sense, right? And I've been doing it over 40 years. So I love it. And I would love to be helpful to you if you're interested in goal setting. So let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Write your comments in the box below. And thank you. I'll see you next time.